locksmith. I'm going to use the Auto Pro pad. Here's where the slot is, right there in the middle. Okay, it's a 21 Chevy Silverado 1500. All right, here we go. Let's do GM. Make it so you can see a little better. I'm in Tequesta. The Wi-Fi is terrible. Immobilizer by vehicle, Chevy, and USA. Let's look for Silverado. Okay, it's a 21. Could be actually, let's go with that because it's not that. That would be for the dealer tool. Remind immobilizer, whatever, that's fine. That's just saying if God forbid the security light is on, just disconnect the negative after you're done. Okay, let's read the security code. Make sure you have Wi-Fi. Let's actually put the flashers on. I always do that. Really ain't too necessary because I have it on. Because it's an add key actually. Really basically the same format if it was an all keys lost. We got two remotes we're gonna do. That's the second one. That's his original. It's back beat up a little bit. Okay, so we got the security code, the PIN. Okay, now program with smart. Okay, I'm gonna try to do an add key. It says you can't, but I think you can. All right, let me turn this on. I turned the thing on because he has the remote in here. Okay, hit OK. Okay, we have it in the slot position right there. There's some other slot positions depending on the model. Like there's one with if it has a different armrest, it lifts up all the way on the bottom. I'm gonna do some videos with, I'm gonna start really doing videos where when I got Chevy and GM, I'm gonna all the different slot locations. I was thinking about that on the way here. Okay, failed to communicate. That's sometimes this. We might still have to do all keys lost, but we'll see. And sometimes this thing just sometimes errors out, so turn it on. That's on. Let me just make sure it's all the way on. Okay, there we go. Let's see if it errors again. I'll do the all keys lost. Nope, we got it. You know what? I forgot the PIN code. I'm gonna pause the video for a second. I got the PIN number, so let's put that in there. And now we should have a wait in a few minutes. You know, it's funny. The Auto Pro pad for some reason. All right, it's going now. In 10 minutes, it's gonna be done. But and we'll add the second key. I'm gonna pause the video, but I noticed one thing. It sometimes errors a lot. I think that's part of the reason why they came out with the this is the G2 Turbo. I think the new one, they came out because, I mean, a lot of times it just errors for no reason, just like it did before. But I'm going to pause the video and then we'll play it back once we get done with this 10 minutes. Getting close now. Now after this, we just follow the instructions. Actually, I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to jump in the car. Okay, configuring. There's the remote still there. Failed to communicate. Hold on. To tell you, this machine, it's funny. Making program with smart, it just does not want to cooperate sometimes. Let's just see. Okay, number 2. Better not make me wait to 10 minutes again. I think we might, yeah, I might be able to bypass the 10 minutes. Could be also that it wants me to do the all keys lost, but we're gonna try. On the system of AutoProPad, it says I can do the add keys, and then one part it says you have to do an erase all, but we're gonna see. Okay, see, it went through. We didn't have to wait the 10 minutes. Okay, so it's saying press the start button twice within 5 seconds. So I'm gonna do that right now. 1, 2, and then hit OK. Okay, and the lights came on. See that? Okay, do you need to program another key? Yes. Okay, place the next smart key in there. Okay. Get the other smart key over here. Put it back in the slot right there. Okay. Hit OK. Press the start button twice. 1, 2. Did that. All right. Current keys 3. You know, it's almost like, you know what? I'm going to do that other remote again because I don't think that other one went through. Hold on. Just see. Yes. Let's see what happens there. Twice with the button. And hit OK. No, I think it went through. It might have been the other one. We'll see when we're done. Press and hold the button for 12 seconds. We're doing that. It's hard to do the video, the button. Release the start stop. I'm gonna actually take his key out of the car anyway. Not that it matters, but we'll do that. Now it says press and hold the stop button for the long. It's a long press. Hold the stop button. I'm gonna pause it in a second because this says to hold for 15 seconds and then hit OK, but we don't have an OK button, and this always happens with this machine. I did one yesterday, same shit. You know, very finicky, this machine. The old AutoProPad I thought was a lot better. Okay, it says press the stop button, switch to off, and press OK. I guess it is okay already. Open and close the door. Hold on 1 second. Then press OK. Then configuring. It's hot as hell today. 14, come on, let's go. Probably gonna make me hold the lock and unlock button in a second. I'm gonna have to put the phone down for a second, once that is the case. Okay, remove the smart key and press lock and unlock. Okay, hold on. Okay. It says program complete. Okay. I just got a funny feeling. It worked. Everything's good with this. Let me just make sure it locks and unlocks with this key. 1 second. It ain't locking and unlocking. Why? That's weird, because it starts the car. Well, it did start the car. Hold on 1 second. Place the key here. Retry. Hold on, let me just see something. I hope this guy didn't get the wrong. That was weird, because it just went a second ago. Hold on. Let me pause the video. We figured out the problem. He bought one, I didn't even realize. This one right here is just the remote shell. This one, it works. Okay, and it starts the car. You know, I just actually, 1 second, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna take it apart. There's, he bought by accident, not even realizing, one with just the shell. Well, by the time I open it, it's a pain in the ass. But bottom line is, I just opened it 2 seconds ago. If you see, you can't even feel no buttons. And I was like, what the heck? That's why it wasn't registering on one of them. But this one's all programmed and it's all done. And like I told you, the slot's over here. So in the future, if you ever, your batteries run out, just put it there and it'll start the car. And if you're programming, the same thing. Okay, take care.